So yeah, let me show you how to take the wire harness out. So the first thing you have to take the red part. Yeah, use a pick is the best. There's a tab here, it's broken, but yeah, you can just use a tab to push the red part out. Pull it out, and then use a pick. Go to under here. Under, then pry it a little bit, and then pull it out. You hear that click, and yeah, use a pick and to pry it, and hear that click, and then you can pull it out. See? Basically, you get the pick here. Yeah. Pull the red part, and you will release. Not this part, not this one, but here, red part.